Hey kids! I am Teacher Darlene and welcome to our English learning adventure. Can you say, "Hi, Teacher Darlene"? Alright, now I can also say hi to everyone. Hi, Jessica. Hi, Paula. Hi, Rob. Are you ready to learn English and have fun with me? Say yes, yes, I am. Okay, great energy. Now kids, just to remind you that we have 3 rules that you need to follow in my class. Number 1 is sit well. Number 2, always listen to Teacher Darlene or to Teacher Anna. And number 3, kindly raise your hand if you want to speak up. Do you understand? Before we begin with our discussion this morning, let's have a quick game which we will call Mirror Me. The mechanics is very simple. You will be my mirror, so whatever I'll do with my face, you just have to copy it correctly. Do you understand? Okay, let's start. Number 1. Make sure that you are copying my face correctly. Okay, everybody got it correct. Number 2. People at the back. Okay, everybody still pass. And number 3. Okay, thank you so much. Kindly give yourselves a round of applause for doing the activity really well. Question. For you, which face is the easiest to copy? And when do you feel that way? Awesome! As you can observe, the mirror activity tells us the different feelings we may experience every day. Happy, sad, and angry. And today, we will be discussing them one by one, guided by these learning objectives. First, let's define what is feelings. Now, when we say feelings, kids, it is how a person feels inside. There are situations where we can be happy, sad, or angry. First, let's talk about happiness. Kindly look at the picture on the board. How do you think it looks? Okay, correct. The girl is smiling. It is the face we show every time we are happy or simply having fun. It's also the feelings we feel every time we enjoy playing with our friends or we receive a gift from our classmates. Everybody, kindly stand up and show me your biggest happy face. Wow, everyone is beaming with smiles. Thank you so much for doing that. Next, let's try to check the next photo. How does it look to you? Okay, someone is about to cry. And crying is a sign of sadness. And when we say sadness, it is the feeling where we feel hurt or down. Every time we are sad, we just want to cry. We may feel sadness if, let's say, you lose your favorite toy, or you just miss your family, or one of your friends moved to another school. That would really be sad, right? Now, kindly show me your saddest face and gently tap the shoulder of your classmates so we can comfort them. Okay, very good. Finally, let's check our last photo. How's it look? Okay, good point. The picture shows an angry face. It's frowning and it has a very serious face. We may feel anger if someone breaks your toy or if someone pushes you in the hallway. But kids, I want you to remember that it's okay to feel anger. But hurting someone because of that is definitely not a good idea. Do you understand? For our group activity, I have placed the 3 feelings we've discussed in the corner: happy, sad, and angry. The students will be given several situations and all they need to do is walk to the correct feeling for each situation and will have to act the feeling through their faces. And here are the situations. For individual activity, the students will have to answer this. Alright, you did an awesome job, kids, and I hope you've learned something from me today. It's almost time, so see you tomorrow. Goodbye!